This 2025 Venture RV SportTrek ST292 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, TV, oven, smoke detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV SportTrek ST292 VBH is 7,820 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.